hold the pot, wiggle. You can't put your hand in a pot, sir. All right, hold the pot, Alex, hold the pot. Come, wiggle, wiggle. Welcome back to our channel and thank you once again for joining us in this another day in the life of living on Autistic Edge. I am Terry Ann Elaine, proud autism mom, and we are here to share with you tips and tricks of how we navigate through our journey right here on Autistic Edge. Flipping an egg requires sequencing, precision, and motor planning. Holding the spatula and maneuvering the flip improves the fine motor strength of your child. Now, the grip and the wrist rotation, that is what we need to work on. Now, keeping your eyes on the egg while you do the flip, it improves the visual motor integration of your child. And this visual motor integration is an important task that is needed on a daily basis to perform activities like these, like, flipping an egg. If your child is just learning this particular task, we are going to share with you some of the technique that we use to help Alex to be able to flip an egg. He's now gaining more interest in the kitchen, and we want to work on that. But we want to do it in a very safe way to ensure we don't have any accident, right? In a recent video, we show you where Alex was learning to fry plantain. And of course, he did very well. We still supervise along the way. He did very well. He's showing more and more interest in the kitchen. So what we are now teaching him to do is to fry an egg. He will help us in the kitchen in little tasks. So now he's frying egg. He likes eggs. One of the challenges that we're having is flipping the actual egg. We want to teach him this task, we want to teach him the technique, but we are doing it outside of the kitchen. What we did, I get this special spatula for Alex Xavier. In our last video, you will see where we have a different spatula. Now we actually got this one specific for him to help with the hold of his items so that they don't fall from him in the oil and then he may, eventually get burned. Now, if you like one of this, I'll drop a link in the description below where you can actually get this one. Now, if your child is learning to flip an egg, what I encourage you to do is, in this case, you can use a plastic egg, and I'll drop a link where you can find the plastic egg as well. You can use a plastic egg. You can use pancake. You can also use even a slice of bread. Now, for us, we made an egg from a cardboard. And here we give you a little idea of what we do. So we have the egg printed out, and then we cut the egg out, of course, and then we paste it onto the cardboard, and we have that cut out. Now here we are cutting out the shape of the egg. And then here we have our egg. Here is the egg. All right. So this is the egg that we will be using to demonstrate this exercise and to also use it as the practicing the technique of flipping the egg. Now, use a child-safe spatula. And as we said before, we decided to get this one specifically for Alex. So this one is Alex's one. We have two of them. We have a red one as well that he used in the kitchen, and we're using this one for the practice and the training. We keep Alex out the kitchen for a reason. We are not going to practice this exercise in the kitchen because we don't want him to feel that cardboard egg can fry in the kitchen, right? We're not going to mix up that. So we just want to practice the technique outside of the kitchen, and then when we get to our real egg, we're going to do it in the kitchen. So in teaching your child, break down the task into simple steps and practice each step and each technique until they are able to do everything in one, right? You want to ensure there's safety. while you are carrying out this particular task. Now, guess what? Celebrate the effort, not the perfection. They may not get it as perfect at the beginning, but don't worry, celebrate everything. You know, we always celebrate when Alex even make an effort or an attempt to do something, because we are coming from a place where he couldn't do a lot of things, and now he's showing more interest, and while we are working with him, he's becoming more aware. We are getting a few more words, so speech therapy is going on. Check out our speech therapy playlist. We are getting lots and lots of improvement. They are small, but nonetheless, we are grateful for the improvements that we are getting. We have some big improvements. We also have some small ones. So we are going to do a little practice session with Alex Xavier as we practice the flip of the egg. This is your egg. This is your egg. All right, so we're going to put the egg in the pot. So I want you to hold the pot. Hold your spatula. Hold the spatula with your thumb on here, Alex Xavier. Now, wiggle the spatula. Hold, turn. Hold it, Alex. Come on. Wiggle, hold, turn. You let it go too quick. Let's try that again. Hold the pot. Hold the pot. Wiggle. You can't put your hand in the pot, sir. All right, hold the pot, Alex, hold the pot. Come, wiggle the thing under the wiggle. It's an egg is so stubborn. Come, wiggle. Come on, hold the egg, turn it over. Good boy. You're gonna try that one more time? You have to hold the pot to open the stove. Hold the pot. Come on. Go ahead. Hold it. Turn it over. Good boy. All right, let's try one more time. You can't put your hand in the pot. Remember this, the pot is hot. You can't put your hand in the pot. Okay?
Okay.
All right, come. Hold the pot handle. Come on, hold the pot handle to hold the pot. Swizzle. Come on, swizzle. All right. Hold. I love it. Thank you once again for joining us in this another day in the life of living on Autistic Edge. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and make sure you subscribe so the next time we put out another content, you will be notified.